Session we are going to learn like how can we execute a Terraform script through Jenkins pipeline with parameter. Like sometime if you are coding in Terraform and if you are writing a Terraform script and you do have a requirement of uh, the reason should not be specified in the Terraform itself. So while running the script through Jenkins only, you will have some option from where you have to choose, like either you want to deploy your S3 bucket in your East US2 region. So let me go through the code so that you will understand what is the requirement I'm trying to achieve here. So as you can see here, this is your code. Okay, so you can see here, this is the Terraform code. Right now in the same code, I have not hard coded any value for this reason. Means this S3 bucket we are trying to create, in which region it should get created. Okay, so we have not given any input value here. Okay, so whenever we will try to run the Jenkins pipeline, so that time only it should ask, okay, like which region do you want to deploy this S3 bucket. Okay, so we are trying to achieve this only, like while running the Jenkins, it will ask you the choices. Sir, in which region do you want to uh, deploy this S3 bucket? Okay. So what are the steps going forward you have to take care? Let's go through that. So you have a EC2 instance launched already, and you have installed Jenkins already onto that. Okay, and we are going forward with third step. If you don't know how to install Jenkins, just go through one of the previous video in the same playlist, you will come to know. And let's move forward with the third step. Let's create the pipeline with build parameters with this code. Let's go to the dashboard. Here I'm going to create a new item. Just click on that, and I'm writing some name, something build param. Okay, and this will be, we are following this declarative method. We are going to write a groovy script for the same thing. Okay, so first and foremost thing what you have to do, just click on this pipeline syntax. So once you are here, you just have to search for properties. Properties set properties. Okay, so now see, do you have the option? See this, the project is parameterized. So if you will click on that, you will have multiple option, either boolean, choice, credential, file. Okay, so right now we are going for choice parameter. If you will click on that, you have to name the same name you will use in the code so that you can access the value. So right now I'm going for this, let's go. I have set my Terraform variable as reason itself, so I am taking the same name here. What are the choices? What are the regions you are allowing the S3 bucket? So the user will choose. So go to the instances, C, US East 1, US East 2, US West 1. Okay, so let's take how you have to write. Just see how I am writing. One option first, option second, and third one was what? Your US West 1. US West 1. Okay, and this is the description, like, so what are the description I have given here? Please choose in which region do you want to deploy your S3 bucket. So it will provide me three choices: US S2, US East 1, and US West 1. Okay, once this is done, just click on generate pipeline script and you will get something like this. Just copy this and go to your code. This will be the first line of the script. So going forward, what we have to do now, we have to create the pipelines. So you know, right, how to write. If you don't know, just check out one of my previous 2-3 videos back I have agent any, enter. After that, what will happen? Stages. Under the stages we will have multiple stage. Under stages I'm going to create a stage, STHEE, and here you don't forget to name it along with that this. Okay, so firstly what we do, git checkout, and under stage you have to add steps here. Okay, so under stages you have a stage, and each stage will have multiple steps here. So let's generate. If you don't know how to write here, just click on the pipeline syntax, just copy the code, git code, click on the repo name, just go to code section, copy this. Once you came here, pipeline syntax generator, select the skit, provide the repo. So in my case this repo is public, so that's why it is not asking for any password. If you will have any private repository, then you have to add the password as well from here. Like I will show you here. You have to mention the GitHub username, here you have to mention the GitHub password. That's it. You add, and then you have to generate. So see, always remember this, what is the branch for which you are going to generate this pipeline. Just click on that. See, my branch is main, so going forward I have to take care of this. I'm writing here main, and that is done. Click here, just copy this, Control C. The first step is done. So once that stage is done, likewise you have to create. So you don't know how to do that, just again click on pipeline syntax. You will come here, search for shell script. Okay, what is the first command you will run? Terraform init. Okay, generate the syntax. Okay, Control C, Control V. Likewise you have to copy Terraform plan, Terraform apply. So make sure these all are unique names. Terraform plan, Terraform apply, Terraform plan. Okay, so it should not ask for any pop-up, so we will make it as auto approve, auto hyphen approve. It will not pop up for either we want to deploy this resource or not. So once this is done, so here while doing Terraform init, it should not ask for the reason. So in the next step, while you are doing plan, apply or destroy, it will sure ask you the variable name. So how you are going to define it, how you will pass the value, just write hyphen var. Okay, and in the single quotes, first thing what you have to do, Terraform plan, see, Terraform plan. Okay, and in the hyphen var, okay, and single quotes, there should be 3 single quotes, one for the first one. So here you have to mention the variable name. Okay, so what was the variable name you have set there in the Terraform? In the Terraform, if you will go, you will see that was, click on that is reason. Just go here and do region equals to. Now how you will fetch one of the value from parameters, choice parameter to here. So this is the name of the Terraform variable we have defined. The reason equals to Now you have to use interpolation, double quote this curly braces. Now you will write params dot region reason. Okay, so this is done. And one more thing, once you are providing this interpolation here, you can't make use of single quotes here. So what you have to do, instead of the single quotes, just provide double quotes here. Okay, just ignore the error. Okay, the same thing we have to pass at multiple places, where here also apply, and here we are passing the reason. So wherever you are passing, as I told, you have to use double quotes. Okay, so reason is done. So this is the name of your Terraform variable name, and this is the name of your parameters. See, if you will go up, if you will go to the pipe, sorry, I have switched. So you should remember while setting this parameter what was the name you have given. So in my case, as you have remembered, I have given parameter name as a reason. So you can see I'm using this. Okay, hope you are able to understand. Just click on apply and save it. Okay, just build it now. So Terraform init is going on. You can see here where reason equals to uss2, it's took. Let it run. It is creating a bucket, and you can see it is success. So you can see here the things we have given your choice parameter. Based on that, it have created. You can make use of this also. The product is parameterized. The same value has been reflected here as well. Reason sts2 is ts1 and sts2, and from there only we are going to choose one of the reason and params dot reason. Okay, so when we will try to build this for the next time, so you can see we will have the option of this parameters. So once you will choose any of the option from here, and if you will try to build, right now whatever we have done build with parameter. I think it took some time to reflect those changes. So you can see here plan var reason equals to uss1, it took. Okay, something wrong with this happened. So only one reason that can happen, because see, in the earlier build, in the one of the earlier build, if you will go click on build params, see this one is done. So see, if you have created the bucket already but you have not destroyed it, right? So what was the last time we have selected reason uss2, means in the uss2 you have already deployed the bucket with the same name. Okay, so that's why you have given, but that is globally unique name. Okay, and if you are trying to build the same thing in some other reason, so that will automatically fail. Okay, so what we have to do, Here let's do one thing. Let's change the bucket name to something else. Okay, I'm going to commit this. Okay, so let's run, build with the parameters. Let's choose this time different one, use ist1. Okay, and it started building. Just click on that. So it's trying, you can see here now reason it is passing to the Terraform use ist1 from the Jenkins to the Terraform. Hope this time it should not fail. Okay, something issue is there. So you can see the same name bucket is already somebody is making use of it. That's why we are not able to create this. Let's see if we have something different name. Okay, this name, let's check it. Okay, so this is a unique name. Let's take the same and let's update into our code, and we will destroy and try to create from here. Okay, let me select this. Okay, commit the changes. Do one thing, just delete this so that again it will not. Now you have to provide the my bucket. This is the name of my bucket which I want to delete. I have given the name. Okay, so now again go back. This time again build with parameters. Here's this one. So this time it is working perfect. Okay, so this is your apply. This is your plan. This is your apply. So this started creating, and it added one resource. Okay, so once you will go here and you will do this. Is it the same name? Just see. 554555. Okay, yeah, so that's how you can so like this way. I think video become long, but still we have to rectify the issues, like we in the video we do rectification of the error as well, so that you will have a good strong holding on these all topics, like how you can rectify these issues as well. So let me delete this. Let's add one more. So in the last video I have showed you how to add one more stage. In the same way you will add one more stage. Let's try. Okay, for here also you have to provide the reason. Okay, just okay, one more thing. Try, apply and save it. Build a pipeline, build. So let's wait a moment so that it should complete. Terraform apply is going on. So we have already the tf state file, so it will check the previous state, and you can see it is going to destroy the resources present in the uss2 region. Okay, so success. Thanks for watching.